Moving on with our former resistance areas to turn into support, and this is fairbinaryoptions.com. The whole project is being part of what we are, let's say, doing on the Binary Options Academy, with the purpose of training traders to be more successful when they actually go and trade binary options. These are basic elements of trading, of technical analysis, so a clear understanding here will act as in the benefit of the trader. Now, as you can see here, this is a US dollar Canadian dollar 4-hour chart. Market is escaping after this consolidation pattern, jumps to the upside and makes resistance level here, resistance, then the resistance is broken, turns into support, turns into support. It is still support here, so you want to buy call options, and price is rejected to the upside. Now everything that was valid here, it is being valid here as well. As you can see, this area here is an important area, a resistance area, and you already know this information here from the left side of the chart. So price is testing here, and you see that this is a rejection. So all of a sudden you are interested to see what market is doing there, and there you go. Not on the first attempt, but on the second attempt, this is a nice place to buy put options. As the resistance still holds, the resistance still holds, and the resistance here still holds. It is not being broken. Then the market pushes to the downside. You buy call options here, and then price tries again for the same resistance area. Well, the resistance is not broken. There is an interesting place to go and buy put options again. Then price goes to the downside and tries again. Well, the resistance still holds. This is a nice area to buy put options. What would be the level to invalidate? Well, if you look at the previous levels here, like this is an area that market hesitated on the first, so it has been rejected here and then rejected here, came to this level and then rejected again. So normally this area here is a nice place to look for a bounce, and this is a nice place to go and buy call options, and then of course market breaks it. By the time it is broken, form a support. This is form a support now. So form a support, actually turns out into resistance, turns into resistance. So what to do when price then breaks the support and then comes into your resistance? Well, the only logical thing to do is to go and buy put options, and then price goes and comes into your previous resistance that now acts as a support, right? So you start to buy call options here, buy call options here. Price jumps and comes where? Well, price jumps, breaks your resistance level here, as you can see, and now this one, it is turned into support. So the logical thing to do is to go and try to buy call options here and try to buy call options here, and the next target for price, or to look when price should hesitate, would be this area here. As market will most likely hesitate at this level. Now, when you trade binary options, it is extremely important to carefully choose the expiration date. Well, the expiration date in this situation, this being a 4-hour chart, can be anything from short-term expiration dates, end-of-day expiration date, hourly expiration date, but the same analysis that we are doing here on fairbinaryoptions.com with the former support and resistance, so the same analysis is valid on the 5-minute chart, or even on the daily chart, or even on the 1-hour chart, or on any time frame you want. Imagine that you look at this chart like we started this former support turn into resistance at a naked chart with no new information, and then just by simply looking at levels where market hesitated, you have an idea about how to trade binary options based on support and resistance levels. You might say that this is not so important. This is extremely important. This comes from market geometry, and anything that relates with market geometry has a tremendous impact on the market and on the trading success one might have. Thank you for being here with us at fairbinaryoptions.com. This is a project of Binary Options Academy on our website, so make sure you check www.fairbinaryoptions.com.